Hi, my name's Adam Flynn from Biggin and Scotch Real Estate here in the City of Knox. Thank you for your inquiry on this property. If you have any questions on this property or any of the properties we currently have on the market, please feel free to give me a call on 0423 694 755. Thank you for your inquiry and have a fantastic day.
A focus on detail is evident in every square inch of this spacious home with a functional floor plan allowing for easy living and providing ample accommodation for the whole family. Boasting a huge separate lounge theatre room, well-appointed kitchen overlooking your spacious meals family area, large bedrooms with built-in robes, huge master bedroom with full ensuite and walk-in robe, separate bathroom upstairs, gas ducted heating throughout, air conditioning, ducted vacuum, powder room downstairs, alarm system, automated blinds, instantaneous hot water and a large double remote garage. If you enjoy entertaining, this truly stunning abode comes fully equipped with a large covered outdoor entertaining area that flows beautifully from the family room and overlooks your manicured and secure backyard, the perfect environment for the most fun-filled days. In a highly desired location close to all amenities including schools, shops, transport, Eastlink, Knox City Shopping Centre and Eastland Shopping Centre, this dwelling is of the highest levels of quality living. Properties like this are rare. Be quick to express your interest before this opportunity passes you by. At Biggin & Scott Knox, we deliver.